In this video we are discussing about how to add a GSD file in a TI portal. For that, go to the option, select manage general station description file, that is GSD file. Click on it. After that, I have already downloaded one GSD file of a flow meter, so I will select it from the stored location path. You can see I have put in the desktop, so I will directly select that. After selection, you can see the file is come. If you see the status, it's showing that file is not yet installed, and you can see the GSDML file number also. Click on it and start install. Now you can see the installation has been started of a GSD file. Wait for some time to complete the installation. Now installation has been completed. You can see the message also, installation was completed successfully. Click on close button. Now the hardware catalog has been updating. Now open again GSD file. Here you can copy the file name, search in the catalog. Now close it. Go to device configuration, select the network view, then click on hardware catalog. Now paste the file name and search it. As you can see, the flow meter device has been came. Click on it to add into a hardware configuration. After clicking, you can see that the device has been successfully added. Now connect it with a Profinet. Double click on it to open its sub-module. Here you can see the head module and sub-module. Whatever required, you can add from this catalog. In this window, you can see the device overview also. For this video, we have learned how to add a GSD file in a TI portal.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about PLC programming, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.